It is clear SUVs dominate the American auto market, but that doesn't mean all SUVs are created equal. In fact, some of the most popular models on the road today are overpriced disasters. Surprise, surprise. And they will drain your wallet with endless repairs, poor resale value, and mechanical headaches and black eyes. Today, we're exposing the SUVs you should never buy because unless you love burning money, these vehicles are best avoided at all costs. Let's begin with Range Rover and Land Rover Discovery, the definition of luxury failure. If you want to set your money on fire, buy a Land Rover. These vehicles have a reputation for being some of the least reliable SUVs in the market. Experts say the Range Rover suffers from horrendous depreciation, endless electrical failures, and sky-high repair costs. Meanwhile, the Discovery is just as bad, with expensive parts and labor that will leave you in the financial ruin. Want a reliable luxury SUV? Look elsewhere. Now, this one I have a hard time talking about, the Toyota 4Runner. Paying for features you'll never use, which is a harsh reality. Yes, the 4Runner is tough. I know from personal experience, and so do you. But here's the problem. It is overpriced for what most buyers actually need. Designed as an off-road beast, the reality is most owners never take them off-road or through an ice pond. That means you're paying thousands more for features you don't need or will use while getting worse fuel economy, outdated tech, and a truck-like ride. Unless you're hitting the trails every weekend, you're probably wasting your money on a 4Runner just for daily driving. Some say the Volkswagen Taos is a reliability disaster waiting to happen. Its track record for reliability isn't great, and the Taos is one of the worst offenders. Consumer Reports ranked it as the second least reliable vehicle of 2024, and mechanics warn that it requires frequent and expensive repairs. Sure, the price looks good at first, but you'll be paying for it later when you're stuck at the repair shop every other month. Buy at your own risk. These are the king of breakdowns, according to experts: the Jeep Cherokee, Wagoneer, Wrangler, and Gladiator. Jeep has managed to build an empire on nostalgia, but let's be real, the reliability isn't so funny. The Cherokee and Wagoneer suffer from horrible transmission issues, excessive oil consumption, and electrical nightmares. The Wrangler and Gladiator, terrible ride quality, leaks when it rains, and poor engine longevity. Jeep also has been rated the worst brand out of 34 automakers for reliability. Unfortunately, that should say it all. I don't agree with all of these, but I'm here to report them. The Hyundai Tucson, they call it a ticking time bomb SUV. On paper, it seems like a good deal, but mechanics are the ones who are warning that many model years are absolute disasters. This is mechanics speaking. Engine failures, transmission breakdowns, and higher repair costs have earned it a reputation as one of the riskiest SUVs you can buy. If you're still considering one, avoid the older models, 2011, 12, 15 through 17, at all costs. Why gamble with thousands of dollars in potential repair bills? Buy something new. I like the Tucson, actually. The Ford Escape and EcoSport, the SUVs that will leave you stranded. Ford's smaller SUVs come with big problems. The Escape EcoBoost has coolant issues, carbon buildup, and oil consumption problems, meaning a blown engine could be in your future. The EcoSport, just a miserable driving experience plagued with major engine failures and higher repair costs. Unless you're enjoying sitting on the side of the road to nowhere, waiting for a tow truck, stay away from these two. Massive vehicles with massive regrets. Full-size SUVs. Have you experienced any of these problems? Big-name SUVs like the Tahoe, Suburban, Expedition, Navigator, Escalade. They may look great, but they do come with huge hidden costs. They are gas guzzlers, overpriced, rarely used for their intended purpose. If you're not towing heavy loads or hauling large families, why pay a fortune for a vehicle that guzzles fuel and costs a fortune to maintain? If you got the money, go ahead. If you don't actually need one, skip the full-size SUV. And the biggest rip-offs in the industry, high-end luxury SUVs. We're talking about Range Rover Evoque, Audi RSQ8, the Lexus LX, BMW X7. They might turn heads, they do, but they are financial nightmares, sky-high repair bills when they do break, and they will. Luxury taxes, insane depreciation, limited independent mechanics who will actually work on them. Mechanics agree. Buying a $100,000 plus SUV is one of the worst financial decisions you can make. If you got the money, you probably don't care. But for regular people, everyman people, every women people, avoid those. Final thoughts here. Choose wisely or pay the price. Literally. SUVs are more expensive than ever, and making the wrong decision and choice could cost you thousands in depreciation, breakdowns, repairs. Should I go on? If you want to avoid overpaying on a problem-ridden SUV, check out some real-time dealer pricing right now over at quotes.everymandriver.com before you buy. It's a free tool. Thousands use it daily to save money so they don't get ripped off. The link below gets you right there. That's quotes.everymandriver.com. Make, model, zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand that zip code. If you're willing to drive a few miles outside your area, you could save hundreds, possibly thousands on a new or used car, truck, or SUV. That is quotes.everymandriver.com. Again, a link below this video.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven Saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven Saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.